Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through on how to index posts instantly on Google without the use of Google Search Console. I want you to also know that in this video everything we are going to be using here is from Google. There is no penalty, there is nothing else attached to it. So after this video, I'm 100% guaranteed that your post is going to be indexing immediately after you hit the publish button, because I have tried it and it worked out for me. So I don't want to waste much of your time. If you are new to my channel, please do me well by subscribing to my channel. I make videos on how to make money on blogging and YouTube. So if this interests you, please subscribe now, turn on your notification bell, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy what you're watching. Let me go straight to the platform that I'm going to be using, which is publishercenter.google.com. It's a Google platform, so you can know that this platform is trusted. So alright, so and everything we are going to be doing in this place here, there is no trick about it. It's just a normal process. Alright, so I want you to pay attention and watch this video step by step. Make sure you don't skip a part at all. Yeah, I'm going to be showing you my currently approved website, my currently approved blog, which is Go Overseas blog. All right, so this is my can see that it is live on Google News. Oh, sorry. So anytime I publish a content, it will index in Google immediately. So if you are watching this video from any part of the country, you can also try this out. So yours must be showing live like this to be sure that your website is approved by Google. It only takes me 5 to 7 days to get the approval, and all my contents are now on Google, and now I'm receiving traffic, which you are also seeing in the screen. I'm receiving traffic daily, just like a normal website. All right, so let's move straight to the steps. So all you have to do, just make sure you go to the email that you want to use. All right, switch over to the email you want to use. Okay, and make sure before you start, make sure the website you want to use is already connected, verified on Google Search Console. Google Search Console, just go to the website, as it's also a Google platform. Go there and make sure your website is verified with Google Search Console. So every step you're going to be doing here to be very easy for you to achieve. All right, so the first thing to do, okay, let me zoom in. The first thing to do is to click on the add publication right here. You click on it. You click on the add publication. All right, so you're asked to input your publication name. So make sure your publication name is also your website name. All right, your website name. Your primary website property should be your website link. I hope you're following. And your location should be your country where you reside. Because I reside in Nigeria, I am going to go for Nigeria. So anywhere you are residing, anywhere you are living, just go for the country. There is no any other thing attached. Just go for your country. So I click on add publication. Okay, so I give you a moment for it to load. All right, so you can see that my Google News says not started. You can see it not started, so make sure you watch this part. All right, so you're going to click on it just like this. You tap on it in the Google News, you can see everything right here. Then you click on edit. You click on the edit button. All right, so we are asked for your publication description. That means your website description. So my website is talking about gadgets and accessories review. So my publication category should be under automotive. Let me just go for automotive. Okay, my country is worldwide, and Google property allow all properties. So you click on save. This is the save button. This is the save button right here. You click on it, save whatever you are doing. Make sure you always click on the save, then I save successfully. Now I click on the next button. So I'm asked to add a section. Just click on the add new section right here. You click on the feed. Your section title should be your website name. Then to get your RSS or atom feed URL, which is required, what you have to do is just to go to your website. All right, let me give you a little seconds for it to load. Go to your website. It's my website. You go to the plugins. All right, Go to add new plugin. Then after it has loaded, you are going to search for GN Publisher. Search for GN Publisher. That is Google News Publisher, and wait for it to load. So this is right here. Okay, this is it. So yours also should be like this. I've already installed it, it's already active. So what I'm going to do is just to go there, to go to the plugin and copy this. These are just the same thing to do. You click on settings, then you click on GN Publisher, alright, and you copy out this link. Just only this link is okay. Click on the copy. Alright, and you go back to the platform publishercenter.google.com. You paste it right here. Then your view access should be anyone. Then you click on the add button. Okay, I'm done with that. I'm going to click on the save button to save my work. Okay, I'm done with that. Okay, then I'll click on next. Okay, this is we are almost to the end of this tutorial. So these are the things we are asked to do. So the content here, they said one empty section. You click on the review. Alright, so here your article must be showing here. What you have to do is to click on this refresh button. You just click on this refresh button. Okay, click on the refresh button. It has been okay. You see, your section will be refreshed offline, so you have to refresh this page for this to be completed. But don't worry about that. I'm going to refresh the page after I'm done. So the second one says general, that's basic information. You click on the review. Alright, so that will be okay. This right here. So these are the basic information of your website. So for your primary language, you go for your primary language. That means the primary language of your website. So mine is English, so I'm going to go for English. Okay, and my country, the location of my publication headquarters is Nigeria. So this is where I'm talking about in the beginning of this video. So here you are going to click on this right here. Oh, sorry. You're going to click on this verify in search console. So for those that are yet to verify their website in search console, if you click on it here right here, to refer you to your search console if you're not yet verified. But because I'm already verified, I've already verified this website with search console, I'm just going to click on it now, and this unverified right here will change to verify. So watch as I do it. There is no magic, so I'm going to click on the verify. Alright, okay guys, so you can see that it is now verified. So if this is not verified, you won't be able to continue this step. And also don't forget to always click on your save button. Click on the save button. Okay, so it's saved successfully. And add your contacts. Make sure you add the contacts. So I'm just going to add my website email. Turn this on and turn this on. Then you click on the add button. Make sure you click on the save. Okay, so after it has saved successfully, then you move to the next step. Okay, now that it's saved, then you click on the next. Okay, so it's going to show you what else you have to do. So right now we are asked to add a square logo to represent your publication. I hope you're following me. So you click on the add square logo. Make sure your square is the requirement here is this is the requirement right here. This is your requirement, which is 1000 by 1000 or 5112 times by 5112. So make sure it's a square. Just make sure it's a square. Alright, so and it supports PNG and JPEG. Okay, I'm going to click on my downloads. Here is my square logo. Okay, so this may take a few seconds. So let's give it a few seconds for this to be uploaded. Alright, my square logo has been uploaded. Then the next thing here is for your rectangular logo. Alright, so I'm going to add the dark theme version and the light theme version, but you don't need to stress yourself. Just choose one for both. Make sure the size is 400 times 40. Make sure it's just a ratio of 10 by 1. So this is my logo right here, my rectangular logo for the light theme. So after this, I'm going to upload for my dark theme. Make sure all of this is uploaded so you won't be denying approval. make sure both is uploaded. You can just use one same logo for the two. There's nothing about that. That's what I did for my first website, and I was approved in just 5 days. So I'm going to do the same step for this right here. Okay, that's all. Then you click on the save button to save your work. After it is done, just like this, then you click on the back button. All right, you can see that it's still under draft. The Google News is still under draft, so you click on it, tap on it just like this, click on edit, right? Now you click on next. Okay, this is ready. Click on the next. So you're gonna see what is left. So it says I'm still going to refresh this page after I'm done. So the next thing is to review our terms of service. That means Google Publisher Center terms of service. Click on the review. All right, okay, you input your name. Okay, my name is Abraham, and my contact email, which you can also contact me for any ads, any adverts or collab. I'm just a publisher, so I'm going to go for a publisher. Then your organization should be your website name. So you click on, you check this, and you click on the submit button. Make sure you click on the submit button. All right, so it is showing it right here. So right now I'm going to refresh this page, and the publish button, this publish button right here will be showing for me to click, and my website will be in review. So I'm going to refresh it now. So let's give it a moment. Okay, so you can see right now that the publish button is now live. As I have said before refreshing, you can see it is now live, and this is my content here. So right now, if I'm approved, you can see 6 minutes ago, if I hit the publish button, I am approved. Anytime I upload the new content on my website, it will be indexed in Google immediately. So what you have to do now is to click on the publish button. Now after that, your website will be in review. So, and they will tell you that you are going to wait for 2 to 4 weeks for approval or for reply, but don't be scared. Mine just took me 5 days to get approved, and one of my boss also it took him just 7 days to get approved. So you can see, thanks for submitting your publication to Google News. The review process takes 2 to 4 weeks. You will get an email when your publication is live or if there's an issue. So you don't have to be worried. So just in 5 to 7 days you will be approved, or you will receive a notification on your email. So you can see now that my website is in review. So when it is approved, it is going to show Google News live. So this will be the end of the video. If you enjoy what you have watched, if you have gained something from this video, please like this video right now. And also, if you have any questions at all, I'm free. I'll be answering every questions in the comment section. And also, if you enjoy this video, if you have gained something from this video, if you are now able to add your content, add your website, your content to Google instantly and to index, please subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell so you receive notification anytime a new video is being published in this channel. And also, I'll be making a video on how to create a dollar account for your dollar arbitrage business. For those in the arbitrage business, I'm going to make a video. That'll be my next video on how to create a dollar account for your dollar arbitrage business. Safe and secure, 100% secure. It's very trusted. So thanks for watching the video to the end, and I hope to see you in the next one. God bless you, and goodbye.